Phasalo Tripura Police Wngwi bwskango Tonwi Tripura Police ni luwajijak bai Rabindra Satabarshiki Bhawan quiz competition tei debate competition Khlaijakha Pandao Naruwai Okra Wngwi Manjakha Tripura Director General of Police Anurag Dhankar Laithanai bisini haikeno taklai bisiubo Tripura Police Week balai jakha dalbital tangbitangni bisingtui Aboni bagano Phasalo Haste Police ni luwajijak bai Rabindra Satabarshiki Bhawan quiz competition tei debate competition Khlaijakha competition dalbital school college tei university ni rungsrungnai tei srongnai song participate khlaima bunukjakha asli Pandao Manjakha Haste Police ni DGP Anurag Dhankar no khobui tei kubun police bahini rok aboni aglono Pandao Kokshaka DGP Anurag Dhankar.
The purpose of this quiz and debate competition was to create awareness about the laws among our youth, and I'm very happy to see that a large number of students and their teachers have participated in today's program. When we talk about observance of law or implementation of law, without the cooperation of public, it is just not possible for law enforcement agency to enforce any law. And for that, we have to create awareness. Like many of you may not be aware that we are losing almost double the number of lives in road traffic accident than in murders in Tripura. And every loss of life is loss for the family or for the country, for the society. So it is not how a person has died. More important is the person is lost. And especially in road traffic accidents, most of those who die, they are from the age group of 18 to 45, and that is most productive age. So road traffic accidents, it is a cause of concern. Of course, last year we managed to reduce the number of loss of lives by almost 13%. Our aim is to further bring it down, and we can do it. Like in the skit they had shown, there are 4 or 5 causes due to which road accidents take place or fatalities take place. One is overspeeding, that is most important. Almost 80% of accidents take place because of overspeeding. Non-wearing of helmet, that is another cause of death. Third is seat belts. Fourth is under the influence of liquor, people drive, or under the influence of drugs. And fifth is the distraction because of this mobile. So these are the 5 causes. So if we can check these 5 causes, I am sure that we can bring down the deaths to below 80 in our state. Presently it is 197 as per 2025 figures. Similarly, cyber crime is another cause of concern, and especially to the youth and girls, I would like to request that when they visit any social media platform or they use internet, they have to be careful that they should not share their personal information with anyone. Because in the guise of your known person, somebody else may be there who may be collecting the information. And we have seen so many cases of blackmailing, extortion, sextortion, of which our young ladies, they become victims. So please don't share your personal information. Second thing is, never ever go alone with anybody with whom you have met over online. And if somehow there is a kind of compromise or some person is trying to exploit you or he is trying to blackmail, kindly immediately share that information with your parents, with teachers, and with police. We will ensure that confidentiality is maintained and action is taken against the concerned person wherever he is, whether he is in Tripura or outside, he or she. Similarly, for cyber crime prevention, we have this number 1930, that is emergency number. If something has happened or something you are suspecting, please call this number. In our state, we have another number 112, and that is police helpline. On 112 also you can give any information. If you are suspecting something wrong has happened, or even otherwise, if you need any help, please call 112. And there is one app, 112 app is there, 112 India app. Please download it, and in that app you will have SOS. You have to just press that SOS tab. Immediately this call will go to our control room, and from control room somebody will attend.
Panda ni baithako champion nang naite participate khlainai rokno yakharjaka sokat abahaikono Pandao manjangai lukurung bisingo nuksaka khatungmo Khorang Chini Khorang